Hello, artists. We are going to do step 2 of our portrait with a mask. I have the portrait of the person with their skin and their shirt and their hair all done, and their facial features, which are the eyes and the eyebrows. Now we're going to click on the left-hand side. There is a little circle. When I highlight, it's blue with 3 little dots. When I click on that, the first icon is a shape one. So I click on it, and I have all these shapes, and I want to create a pattern on the mask. So I'm just going to go and do a pattern with my shapes. I'm going to say heart, star, heart, star, heart, star, heart, star. And I'm going to click back onto the background, and I have all of these hearts and stars. I'm going to make them smaller by dragging the corners in when there's like the little white dots around it. I'll do the same with this heart. Make it smaller again, and then drag it onto my screen. And I'm going to go and make a pattern onto my mask. So I keep doing star, heart, star, heart, star, heart. And look at that. This mask is getting stars that keep shrinking so they fit, and hearts. I could also change the color of my mask. I could have done that to begin with, but I did it backwards. That's okay. My next row, I'm going to do a heart, and then I'm going to it's going to go a heart, then a star. I'm going to make it shrink. All of these little stars and little hearts. I grabbed the wrong one. Come on, little star. I'll move the heart over so that I can reach the star. It was overlapping the other one, so I couldn't reach it. And then I can grab the last heart that I had imported, and I'm going to put it here. Now the next thing I can even do with my beautiful pattern is change the colors. If I click on the shape and then on the right side change the colors on this color rainbow, I could make it different colors. So I'm going to say blue, yellow, blue, and then yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. But I might even change this one, the star, to green. How's that? Oh, how pretty. And we can keep adding more and more. If I say duplicate, I can take this green star, and it's even the right size. If I go to the little 3 dots at the bottom, click on it, it says duplicate, which means copy. I can make my mask have more patterns. And I can always take the highlighter tool and drag the color down and make some beautiful highlights on this mask or marker color. The highlight just kind of gives it a very thin layer of color, like if we were using watercolor paint. And I can make it pretty different colors. And even if it goes over a shape, you can see it right through it. That's kind of fun too. So we can design and make a mask that has lots of shapes and colors. If I had gone over this with the plain marker tool, you wouldn't see the shapes anymore, but then you can always add more. So if I go back to the circle with the little dots, go to the shapes, I might actually grab some more stars and then click on the background to get it small. And I can even add more stars. So it's even looking yellow, green, yellow. I can move this one down, shrink it, or I could have duplicated it. This time, I'm going to just shrink down some of my stars. So I'm just making a pattern with one shape this time. And I can move them apart and say the stars are 3 in line. And then watch this. If I take the marker tool, click on it, and make a medium-sized dot and change this color. I can even put dots. Make a really cool pattern. Maybe I'll make my own little O's in these patterns. And maybe in between the hearts you can add your own little drawings. So that would be so fun. So each heart has a dot. Each star has a dot. There's so much you can do and design with your mask. Just like how you could design a cool t-shirt and hair and even the back